How to add the WhatsApp app to Slack channel. The first step is to create and click New Channel on the top of the screen. Then go to your Channel Settings, Integrations tab. Click on Add an App. Search our app, ChatArchitect.com. Type ChatArchitect in this input to find our application in the list below. Press Install button. You will be redirected on this page. Click on Add to Slack button. Then you will be redirected on our ChatArchitect.com website. Press the button, Add to Slack. Next up, click on Allow. Afterwards, you will be redirected to Slack app. You can also open this link in browser by link clicking. Open the context menu in our application in Slack. Next, click View App Details in the context menu. In the opened window, you should add our app to existing channel. Click on the element. Select the channel. Click on Add. Go to the All Slack channel and press the Install button. The final step is to paste your app ID and app secret. You can get it on our website, app.chatarchitect.com. Paste your app ID, then paste your app secret key. Click on Install. The application is installed. How to test? You need to send a message from your personal WhatsApp on number that you connect to ChatArchitect. You will see the message in Slack. Click on One Reply. Type a test message. Send a message. Check it in your WhatsApp app.